Good morning, everyone. Today I came here by taking some questions which is related to the trigonometric ratio tests. And yesterday we have completed the questions which is related to find the unknown sides and the value of sin theta. And today in first example we have here in example number 1. Your question says from the given figures find the value of cos theta. Today you find the value of cos theta. Now I am going to solve one number, and here this is A number, B number, and this is your C number question. Yes, and I am going to solve today C number, and remaining this is your homework. Now look here. Solution. First you draw from here the figures. First you draw the figures of the question. Yes. And here we have this is B, E, and F, and this is theta. And here we have 5 cm, and this is 13 cm. Yes. Write down. In these types of question, first you draw the figure, and your question says find the value of cos theta. Here you write here we have a given in right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, this is F, B, E, F. In the right angle triangle DEF, we have reference angle. This is reference angle DFE is equal to theta. Yes. First you write here the given angle. This is the reference angle. Yes. And so you know the side which is opposite to the reference angle. This is the perpendicular. So perpendicular P is equal to that B, which is given 5 cm. The opposite of the reference angle this is equal to the perpendicular, and hypotenuse H is equal to the side which is opposite to the right angle, that is DF, which is equal to 13 cm. Okay, and base B is equal to EF, which is equal to parts. First you should find EF. First you should find the value of EF. Now I am going to find. Now by Pythagoras theorem we have, what is the formula to find the B? We have the formula to calculate B is equal to H square minus P square. Yes. Here, what is the value of S? The 13 square minus 5 square. First, you should find the square of 13. We have here 169 minus 25. 144. Its root is 12. And dear friends, first you find from here the base. We have the formula to find the base is equal to H square minus P square. We already complete this formula in the Pythagoras theorem. And here you put the value of H is equal to 13 and P is equal to 5, and you get 144. Its root is 12 cm. So therefore here we have EF is equal to what? 12 cm. First you should find here EF. Okay, and when we find EF, then you find, after finding EF, you find that now we have cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? Formula of cos theta B by S. So what is the value of here B? The B represents EF. The EF by X represents DF. The EF is equal to 12 cm, and DF represents what? 13 cm. We have here 12 by 13, which is the required answer. of question, very simple. You know how we solve? Here we first find EF by using the Pythagoras theorem, then use the formula of cos theta. We have B by H, where B represent, there is given EF and H represent DF. You should put the value of EF and DF. You will get the value of cos theta, and remaining this is your homework. Remaining this is your homework. Okay, you will take one screenshot from here. Now I am going to write, and there A number and B number. This is your homework. Okay. Example number 2. I am going to write example number 2. Now look here. In example number 2, we complete of cos theta and sin theta. We have now left tan theta. From the following figures, find the value of tan theta. Now look here. Here this is A, B and C. 5 cm, 4 cm theta. Okay. And here P, Q, R, 12 cm, 15 cm. This is theta. And here we have dual cm, A, B, C, and this is your 13 cm. Okay, and this is now here we have in question number 12, example number 2, 3 question A, B, C, and in this question your question says from the following figures find the value of tan theta. Find the value of tan theta. Same as question number. Same as example number 1, we can easily find the value of tan theta. You take one screenshot, my dear students, from here. Now I am going to solve from here one question. Now look here. I am going to solve one question from the example number 2. I am going to solve question number A, and remaining this is your homework. Now look here. Of example number 2, question number A. First you copy the figures. Here we have figure is A, B, C, and here this is 4 cm. This is 5 cm, and this is theta. Okay, and your question says find the value of tan theta. First you write here in right angle triangle ABC. In right angle triangle ABC, reference angle ACB is equal to we have theta. Reference angle ACB is equal to we have theta. So perpendicular P is equal to we have AB, which is not given. What's hypotenuse? Hypotenuse H is equal to we have AC, which is equal to 5 cm, and base B is equal to we have BC is equal to 4 cm. Now look here we have given perpendicular and we have here hypotenuse and base are given, and your question says find the value of tan theta. To find the value of tan theta we need P and B. So first we will find the value of P by using the Pythagoras theorem. Now by Pythagoras theorem we have formula to find the P. What is the formula to find P? We have h square minus b square. Here we have h important, 5 square minus 4 square. The 25 minus 60 we have 9. Its root is 3 cm. Yes. Which represent here AB. The AB is equal to we have 3 cm. First you should find the value of length of AB, because to find the value of tan theta we need their AB. Now look here. Now we know that the value of tan theta, what is the formula to calculate the tan theta? P by D. So where P represents, what does P represent here? AB. That AB and B represent BC. What is the value of AB? 3 cm. What is the value of BC? BC is equal to 4 cm. We have here 3 by 4. This is the required value of tan theta. In this way, you solve remaining B and C. Again, is here. First, you write in the right angle triangle. Reference angle. This is your given angle. This is the reference angle theta. So, its opposite side AB equals the perpendicular, and then you write the hypotenuse, which is 5 cm, and base, which is 4 cm, and to find the value of tan theta we require AB. So you should first find AB, okay, by using the Pythagoras theorem. Then here AB represented by T. So T is equal to h square minus b square. You should put the value of h 5 cm. 5 square minus 4 square, 25 minus 16, we have 9. Is 3 cm. And then you use the formula of tan theta in the ratio form P by B. You should put here T represents AB, B represents BC, and you put the value of AB and BC. You will get 3 by 4, which is the required value of the tan theta. And for today only this much. Thank you. And we have today homework in your class. I will include their homework in your class times. There is A number, B number of 1, and B number, C number of 2. This is your homework.